Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn online, but for beginners, it often feels impossible. You're told to build websites, grow email lists, and buy ads before you can even start. That's not realistic if you're just starting out. Wi-Fi Cashbot makes affiliate marketing plug and play. The system comes loaded with ready-to-use campaigns across big affiliate networks. The pages are built, the links are connected, and the traffic engine is built in. You don't need to handle the hard parts, it's all automated. This means you can focus on results, not on endless setup. Whether you're working from your phone at home, during a commute, or while traveling, you can check your stats and manage everything in just minutes a day. For beginners, this is a game changer because it takes away the hardest obstacles and gives you a real chance to succeed. If you're serious about starting your affiliate journey the easy way, tap the link in my description and get started with Wi-Fi Cashbot today.